Hello Mad Bull fanatics. Today marks a first for our company Mad Bull, introducing the Factory Direct Piston Replacement by Mad Bull. The Factory Direct Piston Replacement is a very quick and easy and cheap solution for all of you gearheads out there that break your pistons quite constantly. You know, whether you have a high speed setup or a high power setup and you normally break your piston easy, this is going to be a great replacement for you. The price per replacement is only $1.50. That's right, only $1.50, and you can choose from either the XF piston, the orange pistons in a full tooth, or the half tooth version. And we also have it, that's right, for $1.50, the alien green pistons as well. It's very simple. If you run a super high speed setup and you usually break your piston and you crack it, all you have to do is keep the metal part, because obviously it's made of steel. Just keep the metal part, take your new replacement piston, insert the metal piece, and you're good to go. Did I mention that it is only $1.50 on our website? That's right, $1.50. All you have to do is go to madbullairsoft.com and purchase the quantity that you want in any of the variations for only $1.50. Pay for shipping and we'll have it directly to you. That's right, it's available for the XF piston, the orange pistons for half tooth and full tooth, and the alien green version. So definitely check us out at madbullairsoft.com.